Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the xFyro xS2 True Wireless Earbuds. You can get this product for about $99. Check out the link in the description. My first impression is very positive. It looks like this is a good quality product and it looks really nice. Every time you connect the earbuds to the charging case, they both get charged simultaneously. The LED indicator lights show how much power the charging case still has. This is the charging input to charge the charging case. And this is the charging output, which you can use to charge your phone or other devices. The earbuds magnetically connect to the charging case, so you don't have to worry about losing them. First, I fully charged the charging case. Charging time is about 1 hour and you get up to 50 hours of battery life when using the charging case. Without the charging case, you get up to 8 hours of battery life. Connecting the earbuds with your smartphone or other Bluetooth devices is very easy. When removing the earbuds from the charging case, they automatically pair to one another. Place your device in discovery mode and connect to xFyro xS2. After initial setup, when earbuds are removed from the charging case, they will automatically pair to each other and the most recently paired device. The buttons can be used to control the music or incoming calls. I tested the wireless earbuds for a few weeks and I think it's a great product. They are comfortable to wear, the sound and microphone quality are very good, and thanks to the charging case I never have to worry about running out of battery. So if you are looking for affordable true wireless earbuds with good sound quality and a charging case, I would recommend the xFyro xS2 True Wireless Earbuds. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.